Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can print image from Pinterest. So here I've already opened my Pinterest app on my phone. Then I'm going to just find a picture, an image that I want to print. For example, here I'm going to just print this image right here. For example, so what you need to do is just save the image first. So click on the three dots icon at the top and click on download image. So now the image has been downloaded. You can find it on your gallery. So click on albums here. Okay, after that click on pins. This is the image that I downloaded before, and after that you can click on the share button at the bottom and just scroll down until you find the print option. This one, print. Click on that and you can just find the device. Here is the size. You can change the settings to your liking. You can change the paper size, the color orientation, and others. And here you can select a printer. So if you have a connected printer device, you can see it in here, and after that you can just click on print. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.